$20,000 is how much I made in the past 4 days just with meme coins. And no, I did not trade any coins, I just created them myself. After that, I removed the liquidity. That's exactly how I made all this money. The benefit of launching your own coins is that you have nothing to lose. It's free money. You can even create these coins with just one click, which I will show you exactly how to do in today's video. I will walk you through, step by step, how to create and launch your own coin. To create our coin, we won't be using Pump.Fun because if you don't already know, Pump.Fun is too saturated. Too many coins are being created every second, and 99% of them are scams. That means no investors are going to buy your coin. You have to use raydium if you actually want to make money. Coins on the raydium DEX reach a much higher market cap, and I can prove it. If you look at raydium, you'll see coins with $14 million, $9 million, $300,000, and even $500,000 in market cap. Meanwhile, on Pump.Fun, the market caps are extremely low. 4K, 15K, 13K, 40K. The point is, you have to launch your coins on raydium if you want to make serious money. Now, how do you do that with no coding required? Simple, just go to Google and search for launchtoken.fun. This website lets you launch coins on raydium instantly, within seconds. You can create your own token by entering the token name, token symbol, and token image. You can either wait for Elon Musk or Trump to tweet and create a coin based on that, or if you want to scalp coins and make quick gains, you can use the Copy Trending Coins feature. Every coin listed here is trending and pumping on Pump.Fun. By duplicating any of these coins, you're guaranteed to get buyers because they've already been proven to attract investors. Plus, since the coin will be listed on raydium, it will get a much higher market cap. Let me do a live example to prove that this works. The Awakened coin caught my attention. It has 341 replies and a decent market cap. So, I'm going to duplicate this one. Click Create Coin, go inside your Phantom wallet, and there will be a warning. But don't worry, this is completely normal. The website is only about a month old, so it's still being verified by Phantom, but it's not a scam. Proceed anyway. There will be a tiny fee, but it's barely anything. Confirm. I understand. Confirm. Now your coin is being created. Wait a few seconds. Okay, it popped up. Copy the token address and create a liquidity pool to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Select the token, click Max, and add 1 billion coins into liquidity to be traded. The token B amount is the liquidity you're adding with your own money. Since you will be the first buyer of your coin, you have nothing to lose. All the money you put in will come back to you when you remove the liquidity. You can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. I'll go with 0.5 SOL since that's what I'm comfortable with. This is the only startup cost you need, and you are not losing this money. It will return to you later. Click Create Pool and confirm. Refresh. Okay, it popped up. Now click View on Photon, and your coin is live. It dipped slightly at first, but now, wow, it's pumping. Buyers are coming in fast. Now is the perfect moment to remove the liquidity. Go back to launchtoken.fun, click the minus button, select 100%, and remove liquidity. Confirm. Boom. Liquidity removed. Let's go. As you can see, 1.12 SOL just went back into my wallet. If I do the math, 1.12 minus the 0.5 I initially put in, that's 0.62 SOL in profit in just 5 seconds. You can make so much money with this method. You need to start right now. The link is in the comments below or in the description.